Hey, what's up? So I'm working on building the TRX 4 kit. This is part 2. Part 1 I will have up at the top. This video will be the rear differential and also the rear axle. And just like the last video, I want to see how long it takes, so I'm going to set a timer. So these are the spider gears for the differential. Alright, make sure you put a lot of grease in here. Make sure before you put the screws in, just spin this a few times, make sure it frees up, because I was having it bind before it was able to go together. Don't tighten it all the way with a power tool. Just letting you know, you'll probably strip it out. Alright, so that differential's done. Just under 6 minutes. So now I'll start on the rear axle. Alright, now I can get started building the axle. Alright, made sure and put some grease on there. And I can put the differential in. I do have a new differential cover coming, but I'll just put this one on for now. Alright, then the ends go on. Alright, that's done. I can start on the portals. both the portals are done, I can go ahead and install these onto the axle. And the link mounts, I can go ahead and install those. Alright, now the wheel hexes. These already have Loctite on here, so you don't have to worry about putting any on. Alright, the rear axle is done at just over 21 minutes, plus the differential at 6 minutes, only 27 minutes. So with the transmission and the rear axle with the differential, I'm just under an hour into it so far. That's going to be it for this video. The next video will be the front axle. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.